I will be explaining in this video. I will be explaining how to create the instance of a MCP server and call the MCP server and load different tools. Uh, So MCP is basically nothing but API gateway, and when we are calling the MCP server, which is running in separate isolated machine, then so different tools or different activities that is defined inside the MCP server are called are basically changed together in the agent, and then we get a output. So in this demo, what I will do is that I will create the instance of pages Keynote and notes of the MacBook, and so these are the tools that are getting called that are getting loaded when we create the instance of a MCP server. So the MCP server will be called through the command line. Once we call the MCP server, so these tools will be loaded, and these are the methods which are defined to load each of the tools. So there is a Keynote, pages, and the notes. These are the method to load all the different tools, and the all tool variables, all tools. This is one variable which is defined, which holds all the instance of those tools. Right. Now the next part is like when we come to the main function. We are getting the description based on different tools. We are getting the description of the tools, and we are storing the description of each of the tool in a tool description function, which is nothing but a list. So, and this tool description function will be passed as a system prompt. So here in the system prompt, we are telling your agent that can control Keynote, pages, and note on the MacBook, and you have access to different utilities, and then we are passing this tool description, and we are defining which function we are defining which activity to be called, and we are passing the different parameters along with that. So suppose I want to draw something like rectangle in the pages or in the Keynote. So that thing I will be passing in form of a func name and those are the, like if I want to print hello world, so that will be passed as a different parameters. So these are the important instruction that we are telling. You always open Keynote open and pages open and notes open first, and then after that you do all the things. Then what is the coordinate? It is like it varies from machine to machine. Now it is 0 to 1000 over here, and here this part is the input, which is basically creating based on the input that we are passing from the command line. It will be appended in the query, and then all the LLM call will happen, which in turn will call the different tools, and inside each of the tool it will perform different activity, like writing something on the tool, creating a colored bounding box inside the particular tool. And here we are defining, okay, here there is a for loop a while loop over here, and we are defining up to how much iteration we should do that thing. And here max iteration is 10 over here, and this is the call to the LLM, and this is the response we are getting. Based on the response, we are calling the function. We are making a function call over here, and also we are passing the different based on the function call. We are basically invoking each of the apps, like pages.py, notes.py, and then we are passing based on the we are passing the tool description as well as different other parameters over here. Yeah, then I will show the demo. So the prompt that we are first we are loading the client.py. It will load the MCP server and different tools. So there are like 12 tools that are getting loaded for each of the three apps is having 12 tools, like it may be like some three, one app is having like three tools, or maybe a second app is having like five tools. So this so based on the usage we are loading all the things, and then we are telling let's open a keynote and write hello world, and then make it a black rectangle, then make a black rectangle, and then we are telling to open a notes and write a new note that this is the end of the video. Yeah, so once we hit the once we enter that thing, so we can see that it is opening keynote, it is writing a hello world, and then it is printing a black bounding box, and then we also have a notes. So inside the note it is printing end of the video. Yeah, thank you.